Welcome to the Hard Rock Hotel Cancun, where luxury meets relaxation in a tropical paradise. Nestled along the pristine shores of the Caribbean, this vibrant resort is the ultimate destination for those seeking an unforgettable escape. Imagine waking up each day to the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore. The spectacular beachfront stretches out before you, inviting you to dive into the turquoise waters or bask under the golden sun. This is not just a hotel, it's a sanctuary for body and soul. Experience the stunning infinity pools, where vibrant blue waters stretch toward the horizon, revealing breathtaking ocean views. Luxe sun lounges beckon you to unwind, basking in the warm sun or immersing yourself in a captivating book. The atmosphere buzzes with energy as exhilarating poolside games and live music create a lively ambience. Lush cabanas offer cozy retreats, inviting you to sip on handcrafted cocktails while the gentle ocean breeze whispers through. This isn't just a destination, it's a celebration of life, luxury, and adventure. Dive into the ultimate vacation experience and let paradise embrace you. Step into a world of unforgettable parties and electrifying shows by the pool. Immerse yourself in thrilling performances and dazzling lights for an extraordinary night of celebration and fun. Immerse yourself in paradise. Relax on pristine sands and enjoy crystal clear waters. Indulge in luxurious cabanas and soak up the sun for the ultimate beach experience. Discover the dream of a beach wedding with breathtaking ocean views, exquisite decor, and personalized service. Say I do with the sound of waves and the warmth of the sun, creating unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Transform your special day into a magical celebration by the sea. Experience ultimate relaxation in spacious accommodations featuring stunning ocean views and modern amenities. Indulge in plush bedding and a chic ambiance that feels just like home. Enjoy the convenience of 24-hour room service and exciting in-room entertainment at your fingertips. Choose from cozy classic rooms to opulent suites, where every detail invites you to unwind and rejuvenate. The state-of-the-art gym features top-notch equipment and stunning views, ideal for an energizing workout. Immerse yourself in the tranquil spa, where rejuvenating treatments and serene environments await. Whether you're lifting weights or relaxing by the pool, welcome to the Kids Club, where adventure and fun are just a heartbeat away. This vibrant space is filled with colorful play areas, perfect for little ones to explore their creativity and make new friends. From exciting games to engaging activities, every moment is packed with laughter and imagination. Where safety and creativity come together, kids can jump into fun activities such as arts and crafts, storytelling, and playtime. Parents can unwind nearby while kids enjoy cozy lounging areas in a safe environment. Where safety and creativity come together, kids can jump into fun activities such as arts and crafts, storytelling, and playtime. A place where entertainment awaits at every turn. Discover the vibrant game room filled with exciting activities like air hockey, foosball, and pool tables for friendly competition. This lively and inviting atmosphere is ideal for relaxing and spending quality time with family and friends. With comfortable seating and vibrant decor, the space encourages laughter and socializing for endless fun. Whether it's a skill game or a casual hangout, the activities cater to all ages and interests. With a variety of dining options, guests can enjoy a world-class culinary journey. From casual eateries to exquisite fine dining, each meal is a celebration of flavors and unforgettable experiences. At night, indulge in exceptional dining with gourmet steaks and mouth-watering Mexican dishes prepared with the finest ingredients. Welcome to the main restaurant, where culinary excellence meets vibrant ambiance. This stunning venue features an impressive buffet with a wide variety of dishes from around the globe. Guests can indulge in everything from fresh salads and savory entrees to delectable desserts. Highlights include expertly prepared Mexican specialties, succulent meats, and a range of vegetarian options, ensuring every palate is satisfied. The chef's commitment to quality ingredients shines through in every dish. With a warm and inviting atmosphere, it's the perfect spot for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Attentive staff are dedicated to making each dining experience memorable. At the main restaurant, every meal promises to be a delicious journey waiting to be explored. At the Nile, evenings come alive with exceptional entertainment and vibrant dance. As the sun sets, the resort transforms into a lively hotspot for guests of all ages. Experience diverse dance events, from salsa nights to energetic DJ parties, inviting everyone to join in. Dance under the stars and let loose on the vibrant floor. Talented performers captivate with spectacular shows and stunning choreography that leave a lasting impression. Every night at the Nile is a celebration of joy and togetherness. Embrace the magic of entertainment and dance. As the sun sets below the horizon, the sky lights up with beautiful shades of orange and pink. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us. This beach hotel isn't just a destination, it's a sanctuary where every moment becomes a cherished memory. Thank you for joining us today on Hotels in Top Luxury Tour Review. We hope this stunning beach scene has inspired your next luxurious getaway. Until next time, may your travels be filled with opulence and breathtaking views. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exclusive luxury hotel reviews and adventures. We can't wait to see you on the next journey.